Assalamu alaikum dear students. As we have started Unit 4 Commercial Banking and we are doing the topic Profit and Markup. We will continue with the same topic and our objectives are to solve word problems to calculate rate, principal amount, time and profit. In last lesson, we just solved simple problems relating rate, principal amount, time and profit. But in today's lecture, we will solve word problems relating to rate, principal amount, time and profit. But first of all, recap. What is profit? The return which is given by the bank to us in exchange of using our funds is called profit. What is markup? The extra amount which we pay to the bank for using the borrowed money is called markup. What is principal amount? The amount which is deposited, invested and borrowed is called principal amount. What is rate? The percentage of the profit charged is called rate. And what is amount? When the profit or markup is added to the principal amount, the sum is called the amount. Now, this is the main formula which we used to solve simple questions involving principal amount, time, rate. This is the formula for annual basis, and we can convert this formula when we want to find principal amount. This is the formula for finding principal amount. Similarly, you can convert your formula when you want to find rate, and you can also convert your formula when you want to find time. Now we are going to start exercise number 4.2. It's word problems. Question number 1 is a financial institution charges rupees 55 simple profit on a sum of money which is borrowed for 5 months. Given that the rate of profit is 12% per annum, find the sum of the money. First of all, as you know, it is very important to write data from the word problem. This is the data. Profit, time is 5 months, but there is the difference. Time is in months, so we have to convert this month into a year. How? Divided 5 by 12, then it would be converted into years. Rate is 12% and principal amount, we are going to find it. Now, as we are going to find principal amount, so we will write the formula for finding principal amount. This is the formula, but you know, in the question time was 5 months, but we have converted this time into a year. So you will write 55 is the amount of profit, multiply by 100, rate is 12 and time is 5 over 12 means we have 5 months, we converted into a year, it would become 5 over 12. After simplification, we will get rupees 110. So as it is a word problem, so we will have to write our answer in a statement. And what is the statement? So the sum of the money is rupees 110 after getting a profit. So by using this method, you can solve exercise number 4.2, question 3, 4 and 6, and this is the hint for solving question number 2. Read the question carefully, make a data, follow these steps and solve question number 2. Now question number 5, it is little bit different, so I am explaining it. In a certain year, Javed puts rupees 600 in a private bank at the end of March and rupees 400 in the same bank at the end of June. The bank offers 3% per annum simple profit rate. Find the total amount Javed receives from the bank at the end of December in that year. You can see, you can observe that there are two investments which Javed has done. So we will find the profit of each investment one by one. First was when he invested his money at the end of the March. So first of all, we will find the profit after March. So this is the data after March. Principal amount is 600. Time is 9 months. You can count March till December. It would be 9 months. And in the last question, I have told you that if we have period in months, we will convert it into a year. This is the conversion of period from month to year. It means you will divide it with 12 and then it would be converted in years. Rate is 3% when he deposited his money at that period. We have to find profit. We will know the formula of profit. This is the formula of profit. Put all the values. As you know, time was 9 months. We converted into a year. It would be 9/12. Now putting all the values, simplifying, then after simplifying we will get profit is 13.5. And you know, when we want to find the total amount would be the invested money is 600 plus its profit. It would be 613.5 at the end of year. It means when he puts his money at the end of the March, he will get the profit of 13 rupees, 13.5 rupees. At the end of the year, the total money on this investment would be 613.5. Now first part has done. Now the second part, he puts his second investment at the end of June. It means profit from June till December. This is the principal amount. You can count months from June till December. That would be 6 months. This is the period. Again, this period is in month. We will convert it into a year by dividing it with 12. This is the rate. We have to find profit in this period. So now write the formula. This is the formula. Put all the given values in the data and the profit is rupees 6. So when he invested 400 rupees, he will get rupees 6. Now amount would be actual amount plus profit. So answer would be 406. So this is the total amount at the end of the year when he invested his amount at the end of June. Now what is the total amount? Total amount would be first amount plus second amount. This is first amount when he invested 600 rupees. This is the second amount when he get profit with 400 rupees. And after solving, after adding these two amounts, the total amount at the end of the year is 1029.5. So first of all, you solved profit at the end of June and then you solve profit when he invested at the end of March. And what is the total amount? By adding these two amounts, you will get the total amount with their profits. Now exercise number 4.2, question 10. This is the hint. Write data. There are two rates are given. Find the difference between the two rates. Use that rate. Use formula for finding principal amount and get your answer. Now recap, as we have solved word problems, so it is very important to keep these points in your mind. Method for solving word problems: first of all, write the data, take out data from the word problem. According to data, write formula for unknown. For example, if we want to find profit, we will write the formula like this. Similarly, you can convert your formula if you want to find principal amount, if you want to find time, and if you want to find rate. After writing formula, put the values from the data, solve the all values and find the value of unknown. Now your task is exercise number 4.2, question 2, 5 till 10. So keep these all points in your mind, do practice questions, and then complete your task as soon as possible. Thank you.